Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while I said that. I actually miss seeing that. I've missed you guys. I've missed filming for YouTube. I've missed creating content. Like honestly, I miss creating content. But I've had like the most stressful weeks. I think that's how I put it. I've had the most stressful weeks, so I haven't really had I haven't really had the time to film any content. So yeah. But this week I was like, I have to film something this week for my subscribers, my loyal subscribers, my almost 200 subscribers. Yes, we're almost at 200 now. Yeah, so I said I was going to film something this week. For this week I'm just going to do basically like a chill vlog, because this week is me getting my headspace back on track. So yeah, I'm going to be filming like a chill vlog, relaxing vlog, just trying to enjoy the week, take the week gradually, and hopefully I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as I will enjoy creating it. Fingers crossed I don't forget and actually vlog this week. But yeah, quite excited for that. Just finished having my bath, and then I got an email that one of my packages are here. So I ordered a new phone case, because if you guys see my phone case, you will actually pray for me. Yeah, so I ordered phone case. I'm going to get it now. I'm also going to take my trash out, and yeah, that's basically it. Let's see what I was using as my phone case. Like, it basically was not protecting anything anymore. And I don't know if you guys know this, but like my phone is really in the trenches right now. So like, yeah, but I can't afford to get a new one, but I can afford a new phone case that can cover how my phone looks. So till I can afford a new phone, yeah, so that's what I was using. I was like, hey guys, it's Tuesday. I'm trying to get ready for the gym. I know, I'm a gym girl now. Yeah, I'm trying to get ready for the gym. Yeah, that's basically it. Nothing is happening. I'll come back when I'm ready. I just want to quickly hurry up so that I won't be late. You feel me? Yeah. I'm ready for the gym, yeah. But I have a problem with this sports bra I bought. Possibly maybe because it's from Primark. Like, it won't be as good quality. But can you guys see this circle? Like, this nipple or whatever cover up is so ugly. It looks like I have large nipples, and my nipples, my areola are like this circumference. But like, why? I also got these shoes from Primark. It's okay, I guess. It's okay. But this sports bra is pissing me off, and it's not even, it doesn't even hold anything. Like, see, like no lift. I'm so angry with myself for leaving my sports bra in Abuja, because this one doesn't hold shit. I don't know if I should have sized down so that it would have been tighter. But just got back from the gym, took my clothes to the laundry, and I'm about to bake my chicken. I'm on a roll today. Like, nobody can tell me anything, at least today. Yeah, today's session at the gym was harder than what I normally do. Normally, I just go to the treadmill and just walk. But today I was like, let me walk on my arms. My arms are paining me. My thighs are paining me because I also try to walk on like my sides. So like, I don't know, holding my camera myself is paining me, but it's a good pain. Like, I feel like a gym girl. Yeah, I want to do my hair now. I don't know how I'm going to place it out. I need to buy a tripod. But yeah, let's start. Finally back to classes. This is my look for today. I'm just wearing a turtleneck shirt and some pants and this scarf because my hair is in a mess. So I'm actually kind of late, like how do I put it now? I'm early for classes. Classes start by 1, but like they're doing like an employability thing at my school, and as you guys know, I'm job hunting as well as doing school, so I feel like that will be helpful. I feel like that will be helpful for me. Like this will be helpful for me rather. I need to stop sweating because my makeup is sweating. I woke up feeling really ugly today, and that's why I did makeup to school. I usually don't do makeup to school, but I woke up feeling like a bomb, and I was like, yeah, I have to do something about it. I'm sweating. I need to go. Yeah, I need to go. We're currently in school trying to video stuff for our content. Excuse me. Yeah, so we're basically choosing content for like our video course, and these are my group members. There's nothing attached to this. I'm just being extra and using this microphone. Yeah, I'm excited about that. So let me video them. They look like they are going through stuff. I'm just here at the back being an assistant. Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
Correct.
One of the sweetest things is you learning this art.
You're not locked it, did you?
Senior man. Bola is
Yeah.
someone that spends money.
That top.
Someone that is good at doing something. Someone that is, has a good time. Always having a good time.
Okay, so what will you be saying? I want to try a shoot.
No, shoot from here, guy, from the bus stop. From that bus stop. So come this way.
Sorry.
I also want to shoot.
Also, we can use somebody's face and like they do like what they call that thing
My guy,
where they pass.
Guy.
You get?
Yeah, I do.
Can you show?
It's like the shoulder
Yeah,
level.
I
Yeah.
Keep it.
Agbabanka, come.
Yeah, no be banker matter now, my brother.
Big differential bank.
Now the idea now, you dey whine me.
I'm asking now.
So sharp.
You are not taking picture, you are doing video.
Yeah.
Banker. Like,
We have to go up. That's why I wanted to use a tripod.
it's not an influencer, but
Yeah, someone leave himself. He doesn't
banker
shoot.
is a financial service person.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like
So,
Banker.
banker.
a banker. Yeah, like a big boy banker.
Big boy. Ah.
Okay, baby boy bank.
Yeah. Me? No, I'm not. I'm not a photographer.
Well, you make videos.
Yeah, I just make videos.
Okay, let's mount on the tripod.
Okay.
Do we go to a river now?
Okay.
I'm going to try this on our culture.
Just
Okay, make a mountain.
Oh man, so there's a way in which we can.
No,
Do you really
like
think-
this is broken.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's broken now.
That's my phone.
We're not matter of a mountain. Okay, bam.
Do you have the consent to
just
film
the-
every
No, we
class?
go hold them. No worry.
Do I have your consent?
Yes, you do.
Thank
No,
you.
this
Do I
is
have your
tilting.
consent?
No.
This is
That's your
spanning.
business.
Too late. That one I know.
Do I have your consent?
At least I know
Do I
that.
have your consent?
Hi, do you have a consent to do what?
To be on my YouTube channel.
Because the last time that we spoke about consent, it had to do with sexual molestation.
No.
So now, why
Why
did you think?
I'm done.
Why did you off?
Because
my
what am I supposed to do? Why?
Balabu.
Why? Explain
Um,
yourself.
because do you know agbado, cassava? My guy, she doesn't know agbado,
No.
cassava.
She's not in Nigeria.
You know?
I'm not a Nigerian. I'm South African. I'm South African.
That's true. You're
Yes.
South African.
Have you seen my backside?
Okay. This South African girl. You know,
Can we go to a river now?
You guys, should we go down to the riverside?
Now.
We should. I think we need to set from there.
No, guys, we definitely need to get the river. This thing, like, go down to the river.
Why don't we have a
overflowing.
bit of people doing something on that bench? This bench here, they look lovely.
Then, who looks nice? Erica, you look nice.
Yeah.
You look nice.
You look nice.
You look
Is
nice
it even
as well.
recorded? Can you imagine? See your face. Hi.
Hey.
Oh my, it's a video actually.
I know.
So, who are you guys? Who is this stranger? I don't need to know.
Agba influencer.
Agba influencer.
Period. Her.
I swear.
See, every class I'll be teaching you something.
When would you like
He's
to go
gonna
to
be
Nigeria?
teaching me pidgin in every classes. When I'm coming to Nigeria.
When you come for Josh,
when are you guys taking me
Did you
to
want to?
Nigeria?
Deji, Alpha, when are you getting? Deji, Alpha, when are you getting married?
Me?
So you can take Puja to Nigeria. When are you getting married?
Not anytime soon, but I can carry her to Nigeria to chill.
It's true. We can go for
Everybody
a
have
cruise.
No, I don't.
Have you ever heard of Dirty December?
No.
Exactly.
Hey, Jesus.
We're about to.
So you don't
something
know what
about
Dirty
December.
December is?
Whatever happens.
Whatever happened in Lagos.
Just film him,
stays
just
in
film
Lagos.
him, film him, film him.
Whatever happens, whatever happens at the
Puja.
Are you filming him?
Yes, Puja.
Yeah,
Whatever happens at the Friday hangouts.
Okay.
Multiply it by 50.
Oh.
That's when you will get what it. Oh, but what happens?
You're coming on Friday,
What
right? You guys
happened?
are coming on Friday.
That will
I
multiply
doubt
by whatever happens there that day.
I
multiply-
left early.
Whatever
So.
you saw there that day. Multiply
Yeah.
You
by
guys
100.
left your camera.
That's when you
Hey.
get to see the
Oh. Okay, shall
You have
we
money
go now?
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're good.
Let's go down to the riverside.
No, don't
Down to the river.
It's gonna be four. It's gonna be 4. Have you recorded?
Are we still doing the conversation thing?
Can we move closer to the sea or the river, whatever it's called?
Yeah, I think we can.
Okay, are you videoing?
Yeah.
So, when people think about winter, they think about dry trees, they think about dry grasses, cold.
Yeah.
But you know, the untold stories of winter about love, about friendship, you know.
just got back home. I'm tired, but like I wanted to show you guys my skin. Even like how many hours? Let me just say 11. It's like about 8 hours, and I've not touched up. I've not done anything. So let me show you what products I used. I do not want to put my camera down, but this is what I used for my face. Is the Zara liquid concealer / highlights in the shade Nubian. I think I mentioned this brand before, or this product before on my channel, and I don't think a lot of people watched that video, but I'm giving you guys this insight again. If you're in Nigeria or you're anywhere and can get your hands on this, you should get it. It's nice, it's lightweight, and it has like a nice coverage. Like obviously it's not full coverage, but it has like a natural, it looks like my skin kind of coverage, so it's very good. And it doesn't like, I sweated around here, so maybe you can see a demarcation, but like other than that, here still looks good. Under my eye, I used the trusty old LA Girl, and it still works, but I didn't use plenty, so maybe that's why. And I set my under eye with this another Zara product. At this point, Zara should actually like partner with me. If you're a Zara marketing executive, I'm literally asking you. I think I will do a great job at marketing your products, because look at this material. It's my first pitch day. Can't find any light, but yeah, let's get ready. I'm quite late, not quite late, but like actually I'm not late at all. I'm just being extra. I'm not late. My stuff is by 1 and it's 11, so I'm not late. I'm trying to do my makeup, and yeah, guys, I couldn't eat anything this morning because like all I planned to eat was my bread. I planned to have bread this morning and it was spoiled, so I couldn't do that. So what I'm having is just tea and fruits. Yeah. Here. See my hair, babe. See where your hair is looking like. Can't listen to it.
That's right.
Baby, like this is apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur.